All aboard!
Next up, the Fabulous Show.
Oh, hi! I'm Faye.
And I'm Fluffy.
We're on a mission to be fabulous.
Bring joy, and most importantly,
Read the house down! Hello, friends!
Hi, Fluffy.
we are so glad to have such a smart, caring group of friends with us today. We have something that we really wanted to talk to you about. Something happened with our friend Moogie earlier.
Oh, it's okay, Moogie.
Fuzz, Moogie, what happened?
We were with some new friends. Well, we thought they were friends, but then one of them started calling Moogie names. And they said that Moogie wasn't allowed to play with them.
Why not?
Because they didn't like my skin color. They made fun of me and called me names saying my skin wasn't the same as theirs.
That must have really hurt your feelings, didn't it?
It felt awful. I told them they were wrong and mean, that my skin is awesome, and I love it. But they just kept going. I was so mad, and I told them that they were mean to say those things about Moogie, and that if Moogie wasn't allowed to play, then I wasn't gonna play either. But then we didn't know what to do.
Moogie, your skin is beautiful. And what that person was trying to say about you was absolutely not true. And nobody should be mean about the color of someone's skin. I know it's hard, but thank you for telling us.
I didn't really want to talk about it, but I feel a little better now that I have.
And Fuzz, you did a really good job of being a good friend. Now, Moogie, is there anything that we could do that might make you feel a little bit better?
Well, there's something. One of your super duper, extra special, fully loaded limited edition hugs?
What happened has got us thinking about the word racism. What do you know about the word racism? Sevi.
Racism is when somebody doesn't respect another person, like if they have curly hair, if they have black skin, or if they have brown hair.
It's like not being accepted into the world. I think it's a very mean way to treat someone. You should never treat anybody like that.
Faye, can I borrow the glitter phone, please?
At your service.
Thank you. Hi, friend. Any chance you could come down here and hang out with our friends and give us a little bit of advice? You can? Great. Thank you so much. Toodaloo.
Are they on their way?
She's here now.
Amazing.
Come on in.
Everyone, please give a fabulous Faye and Fluffy welcome to Millie.
Hi, everyone.
Thank you for getting here so quickly.
I could tell you needed me. What's up?
Well, our dear friend Moogie was playing with a group of people when one of them decided that Moogie wouldn't be playing with them because of the color of Moogie's skin.
Wow, that must have been so awful for Moogie. That's racism, and that's not okay.
When we see racism, how do we empower ourselves to speak up against racism?
Can you help us, Millie?
Absolutely. Let's get
brainstorming!
All right, so I want everyone to hold up their arm and show it to the person on either side of you. So what do you guys notice about your arms?
Some people have bigger arms than others.
Body skin might be the different color.
These are great observations, but racism isn't just judging someone based on the color of their skin. Other than the color of our skin, what are some ways that racism can show up in our lives?
Some people might be from different places, like one person is from Canada and the other one is from India.
Right.
At school, if someone asks if they want to play and someone says no because you're different because of their skin color and the country that they're in and the culture they have.
And then that might come off as racism. They might express that in a way that's not nice, but they just need to learn how everyone is different. So when someone comes from another country, what is something that they might speak to their family or their friends from that country?
Their own language.
Their own language. Do you think that sometimes people don't like it when someone speaks another language than them?
Yeah, it's really mean.
My mom always tells me that if you don't have nothing nice to say, don't say it at all.
You can learn about their religion and their language as well.
Yes, learning is very important. So, when Fuzz and Moogie were playing, people were being mean to Moogie, and Fuzz said, well, if you're going to be mean to my friend, then I don't want to play with you. Fuzz showed us what an ally is. Has anyone heard the word ally before?
You are a strong, powerful person, and you're standing up for others.
Right.
That's great.
That's a great description.
Ally can also mean somebody that helps you.
Can you think of anyone who's an ally in your life?
I would go to my dad because he's stronger. I would go to my teacher.
Teachers are always someone who can help you. So if we see someone being racist, what could we do?
We could stand up for them and we could be their ally.
So I would say, don't be racist. That's who they are. What if you were them?
If I see someone being racist, I'm going to go right over and say, stop, this is not acceptable.
That does sound like a great idea, but sometimes when I see racism happening, I still feel a little bit scared to speak up and do something about it.
If I was in that moment, I would say to myself, you're powerful and no one can define that.
Or you could also ask someone else to help you, right?
Yes!
Sometimes it can be scary to stand up to someone that's being racist, but just remember that you're always doing the right thing. Racism is always wrong.
Thank you, Billy.
Are we ready to do the settle down song?
Absolutely.
Everybody settle down, how quiet can you be? Shake real fast, shake real slow, stand still as a tree. Now sit right down and gather round, it's story time. We've settled down, now take a look, let's open up this book.
Today's book is The Skin You Live In, written by Michael Tyler.
Hey, look at your skin. The wonderful skin you live in.
The skin you're all day in, the skin that you play in, the skin that you snuggle in, cuddle up, lay in. The skin that you beam in, the skin that you scream in. The skin that you dream about eating ice cream in.
The skin you have fun in, the skin that you run in, the skin that you hop, skip, and jump in the sun in, the skin you laugh in, the skin you cry in, the skin that you look up to the sky and ask, why in?
It's baby-born new skin, and your family too skin, and glows when it shows that it knows we love you skin. It's Faith, the rain, bold skin, and snow angel, cold skin, and warm again, let it in, sunshine behold skin.
It's trembling fright skin and cringes at night skin, but turn off the lights to make birthday cake bright skin. It's whatever you do skin, be happy, it's you skin, you can't live without it. I'm glad it's me too skin.
And look at the shades it comes in. The shades of your colorful skin. Your coffee and cream skin, your warm cocoa dream skin, your chocolate chip double dip sundae supreme skin, your marshmallow treat skin, your spun sugar sweet skin, your cherry topped, candy dropped, frosting complete skin.
Your pumpkin pie slice skin, your caramel corn nice skin, your toffee wrapped ginger snap cinnamon spice skin, your butterscotch gold skin, your lemon tart bold skin, your mountain high apple pie cookie dough rolled skin.
It's hard to say.
So many funny rhymes.
Now, look once again at your skin. And the skin all people live in.
It's not tall skin or short skin or best in the sports skin or fat skin or thin skin. You lose and I win skin. Nor sad skin or mad skin, you're naturally bad skin. I'm rich and you're poor and you'll never have more skin.
Nor she skin or he skin, you're better than me skin. I'm lesser than you skin. It's me against you skin.
It's not any of this, because you're more than you seem. You are all that you think and you hope and you dream.
You're a gifted creation with imagination. You're a new day desire to reach even higher. You're the feelings that start from deep down in your heart. You're the pride and the joy inside each girl and boy.
And non-binary person, like me.
And me.
So whenever you look at your beautiful skin, from your wiggling toes to your giggling grin, think how lucky you are that the skin that you live in so beautifully holds the you who's within.
We all make a beauty so wonderfully true. We are special and different and just the same, too.
The end! Did you all enjoy the book today?
Racism is a big topic, and sometimes people can feel uncomfortable talking about it. But it's important that we do talk about it and speak up when we see it.
And what can you do when you see racism?
I can speak out.
Remember to care.
Remember to be kind.
And remember to read.
See you next time.